All right, 13.3 is going to take a little bit of time, but it is your tax form that you need to fill out. First off, the first part is going to be your information, and this is all being given to you right up top here. So we first need to put in the employee number, which is at the top, and it's saying it's number 70 right here. 8418625. So that's this number at the top. That's the company employee number. The name is Concept Design. And we don't have any trade. We're going to put in their address, which is given to you at the top. The Washington Street. It doesn't have a suit number, but it does have a city. In the state of Illinois. We're going to put in the zip code. And we're doing the report for the first quarter, it tells us. So all of that is given to you in these two lines right up top. Now the next part is number of employees that you have given wages to. I'm going to look up top here. And you have 8 employees. You have wages and tips of other competitors. So you're going to take all these 3 total earnings, and that is what you're going to plus them all together and put them into all your wages, which is 35,640. You're going to add up your total income tax, so you're going to add up all 3 of those income tax. Now, the next place we're going to put our taxable social security wage. So we're going to take this 35,640 and we're going to put that in our column 1. Then we take it and times it by 0.124 to come up with our tax. For column 2. We're going to take our tax for Social Security. Right here it says our Social Security is tax exempt on wage tips. So you don't have to worry about line 5B. Line C, we're going to use that same tax Medicare wage tips. It's this 35,640, and we're going to times this by 0.29. Then the next parts, we're going to fill out what the instruction tells us to do. So the 5D said add 2 column 2 lines 5A and column 2 line 5B with column line 2. So we're going to add these 2 columns together. Oh, sorry. We're going to add them. going to put that into line 5D. Okay, line 6A is number of employees paid first of the wages quarterly. If we had tips, we didn't have any tips, so we're just going to leave that blank. 6B is number of qualified exempt employees. We don't have any of those as well, so we're just going to leave it blank. Now 6C is 6E. We're going to take our 2,144, and we're going to add our 5D together. Which equals 7. We're going to put it right here. 7,596.92. 7A is any adjustments. We don't need any adjustments. 5B is any other, for sick pay. We're not going to deal with that. Quarter adjustments for insurance, we don't have to do that. So we go into number 8, and if we had any of those, you would add them all up in. We don't, so we're just going to put our same number that we had in 6E. Number 10 is our total tax adjustment. If there was any advance crediting, we didn't have any, so we're just going to copy and paste that down. And then number 11 is your total deposits, including overpayments and all of that. We don't have any, so it's going to be the same. 12A is number of individuals on premium assistant. We don't have any of those recorded. 12E is exempt from any wages. We don't have any of those. And number 13 is if we needed to make any adjustments from the lines. So we didn't have any of those. And then number 14 is if we overpaid or did anything like that, which we didn't have any of that. So click 1 if you need to apply to next return or send a refund. Next, we scroll down to the bottom part, and this is where it can get a little bit tricky. So number 16, we're going to say what state we are recording this in. We can check any of these. We're going to check the middle line, and what we do is we're monthly scheduled deposits for quarterly tax liabilities, meaning we're going to pay quarterly and for our taxes. So to find out how much we need to pay each month, we're going to have to scroll back up here to our federal income tax. Now, we're going to take our federal income tax, $698, and we're going to add our employee Social Security withholdings. And we're going to do this twice because if you are, it just needs to become, it comes out twice. So we're going to plus that again. And that is the step that is most crucial. And then we're going to plus our Medicare tax, and we're going to do that twice as well. So we have $2,478.92, and that will go down here into our month 1. And you're going to do it again for month 2 and month 3. So month 2, if you do the same thing, it'll come out to be $2,538.70. And month 3 is $2,579.30. So then total liabilities for the quarter, we're going to add all those up, but they also should be the same number as you have in column 13. So that's how you know if you've done it correctly, is if line 10, it says, will be the same number as your total liabilities. And that is it for 13.3. Does take a little bit longer, but just read each line and you can follow what you need.